Imagine the cool air rushing out when you open the fridge. Bīngxiāng keeps the food fresh. Bīng means ice and xiāng means box. Writing-wise, Bīng or ice includes water radical symbolizing coldness, and xiāng or box has bamboo radical representing storage. 我的冰箱里有牛奶和鸡蛋. There is milk and eggs in my refrigerator. Bīngxiāng means refrigerator. Imagine the sweet, creamy delight of ice cream melting on your tongue. Bīngqílín is a delicious frozen treat. Bīng means ice, qī means wonderful, and lín evokes a frosty sensation. Writing-wise, qī contains water radical symbolizing frost, and lín character depicts dripping like a melting cone. 我喜欢吃草莓味的冰淇淋. I like strawberry flavored ice cream. 冰淇淋 means ice cream. Picture throwing garbage away. lājīxiāng helps keep things tidy. La means trash, qī means garbage, and xiāng means box. Writing-wise, la includes hand radical symbolizing action, and xiāng or box has bamboo radical representing storage. 请把垃圾放到垃圾箱里. Please put the trash in the dustbin. 垃圾箱 means dustbin. Imagine checking your mailbox for letters and packages. Yóuxiāng stores mail safely, whereas you means post and xiāng means box. Writing-wise, you includes the radical city, symbolizing mail services. 我每天检查邮箱. I check my mailbox every day. 邮箱 means mailbox. Imagine filling up your car's fuel tank. 油箱 holds oil or gasoline, whereas 油 means oil and xiāng means box or tank. Writing-wise, you or oil includes water radical symbolizing liquid. 我的汽车油箱快空了. My car's oil tank is almost empty. 油箱 means oil tank. Imagine cracking open an egg for breakfast. Chitan is a kitchen staple, whereas chi means chicken and tan means egg. Writing-wise, chi or chicken includes bird radical symbolizing poultry, and tan or egg character has a rounded structure representing an egg shape. 我的早餐有一个鸡蛋. My breakfast includes one egg. 鸡蛋 means egg. Picture a delicious chicken dish. Jīròu is widely used in cooking worldwide, whereas rou means meat. Writing-wise, rou or meat character resembles a slab of meat hanging in a butcher shop, making it easy to remember. 我喜欢吃鸡肉炒饭. I like eating chicken fried rice. 鸡肉 means chicken meat. Picture a crispy, juicy chicken leg. jītuǐ is a favorite in meals and fast food, whereas jī means chicken and tuǐ means leg. Writing-wise, tuǐ or leg character includes a bone radical symbolizing a body part. 这家餐厅的鸡腿特别好吃. The chicken leg in this restaurant is especially delicious. 鸡腿 means chicken leg. Now picture Jixi, a city in Heilongjiang province in China, known for its mining industry. Jixi is a city name, whereas Ji means chicken and Xi means west. So literally, Jixi means Western Chicken City. Jokes apart, Jixi 是一个美丽的城市. Jixi is a beautiful city. Jixi means Jixi city. And picture a birthday cake with candles. Dàngáo symbolizes celebration and joy, whereas Dan means egg and Gāo means cake. Writing-wise, Gāo or cake character includes grain radical representing baked goods made from flour. 这是一个巧克力蛋糕. This is a chocolate cake. Dàngáo means cake. Now imagine the scent of freshly baked cakes in a bakery. Dàngáo fang is where sweet treats are made, whereas fang means room or shop. Writing wise, fang or room character contains door radical representing a physical space. Yóuxiāng chu dàngáo fang mai shangri dàngáo. I want to go to the bakery to buy a birthday cake. Dàngáo fang means bakery. Let's imagine the clear, light texture of egg whites. Dànbāi is the pure protein part of an egg, whereas dàn means egg and bai means white. Writing wise, bai or white character is simple and symbolizes purity. Dànbāi han jian kang. Egg white is very healthy. Dànbāi means egg white or protein. Now picture the golden center of an egg. Dànhuáng is rich and flavorful, whereas dàn means egg and huáng means yellow. Writing wise, huáng or yellow character includes field radical symbolizing brightness. Dànhuáng, I like eating egg yolk. Dànhuáng means egg yolk. Imagine flipping a fluffy omelette. Dànbāo is a classic egg dish, whereas dàn means egg and bao means wrap or cover. Writing wise, bao or wrap visually represents something enclosed. 早上有一个美味的蛋包. Breakfast includes a delicious omelette. 蛋包 means omelette. Moving beyond food, imagine a driver navigating the roads. City operates vehicles, whereas S means to manage and Chi means machine. Writing wise, S or manage character includes khou or mouth radical, symbolizing control, and Chi or machine character has wood radical representing mechanical work. 我的司机很友好. My driver is very friendly. 司机 means driver. Now picture an office filled with employees working. 公司 is a workplace, whereas 公 means public and 司 means manage. Writing wise, 公 or work character resembles a workbench, while 司 or manage character includes khou or mouth radical, symbolizing leadership. 我在一家大公司工作. I work at a big company. 公司 means company. And here's a historical trading organization.东印度公司 refers to the famous British colonial company, whereas Dōng means east, Yìndù means India, and Gōngsī means company. 东印度公司在历史上影响很大. The East India Company had a major historical impact. 东印度公司 means East India Company. Imagine a high-ranking official overseeing operations. Sīzhǎng represents a leadership role in an organization. Sī means manage and Zhǎng means chief or head. Writing wise, Sī or manage character includes khou or mouth radical symbolizing control, while Zhǎng or chief character suggests seniority. 他被任命为司长. He was appointed as the Director General. 司长 means Director General. Now picture an official responsible for managing documents. Sīshū represents a clerk position, whereas Sī means manage and Shū means book or document. Writing wise, Shū or book resembles a stylized character representing writing. 司属的工作是管理文件. The clerk's job is to manage documents. 司属 means clerk. If you imagine the complex movements of gears and machines, Jixi refers to mechanical systems, whereas Ji means machine and xie means tool or apparatus. Writing wise, Ji or machine character contains wood radical symbolizing construction, while xie or tool character also includes wood radical signifying craftsmanship. 机械工程师设计新的设备. Mechanical engineers design new equipment. 机械 means mechanical. Imagine the moment everything aligns. 机会 represents a chance to succeed, whereas 机 means chance and hui means meeting or gathering. Writing-wise, Qi, a chance character, has wood radical depicting productivity, while Hui, a gathering character, combines radicals symbolizing connection. 这是一个很好的机会. This is a great opportunity. 机会 means opportunity.